second episode of my MUN series. Dear parents, if you wish your child to be a good orator or speaker, make them participate in MUNs. For more know-how, refer to my previous episode, What is MUN? Link in the description box. Becoming a better delegate begins with 5 fundamental skills. Research. Good research is the foundation of your committee performance. It makes you feel confident talking about complex issues. You sound like you know what you're talking about, which helps you become a leader in committee. Study your topic paper, review previous resolutions, and find trustworthy websites. Good research should result in potential solutions to your topics. Public speaking. Making great speeches helps you get noticed by other delegates and the chair. If you frame the topic correctly, others will remember what you have said and refer back to it in their own speeches. Public speaking is also a critical skill that you will use outside of MUN, whether it's explaining something to your class or making a presentation in front of your co-workers. Frame the topic, explain your country's policy and propose potential solution. Focus first on knowing what to say, then work on how to say it. Team building. This skill is not as obvious as research or public speaking, but it is crucial to your success in the committee. When you are in an unmoderated caucus, meeting people and finding others you can work with, you are essentially building a team. Your team, also known as a caucus block or an alliance, needs to work together to write resolutions and get them passed. Being a leader on your team also helps you become a leader in the committee and in the eyes of your chair. During an unmoderated caucus, most delegates try to build a team by talking about their own policies and solutions. However, it's actually more important to ask others what they think and get their input. That is how you find people who share the same policies and solutions and who can be in the same team. So talk less and listen more. Writing. Writing resolutions is where real work gets done, and it's also the most difficult part of the committee. Drafting a well-written resolution does not mean just writing down your ideas. It means listening to the ideas of everyone in your caucus block and finding common ground. The key to a well-written resolution is organizing your caucus block's proposed solutions. If you have a good framework for your topic, start with the most important issue and write down the solutions that are most relevant to that issue. Debating. Once draft resolutions are circulated, you need to defend your resolution against criticism and convince others to pass it. You need to point out the strengths in your resolution and find weaknesses in opposing resolutions. Regardless, here are some basic tips for talking about your resolution. First, state whether you are in favor or against the resolution. Second, in one sentence or one word, explain why you do or do not favor the resolution. Third, pick 3 operative clauses to support your argument. Fourth, encourage the committee to vote in favor or against the resolution. Approach groups of delegates and ask their thoughts about your resolution. Try to find out what would get them to vote for your resolution. This might mean proposing amendments, so long as they don't contradict the original intent of your resolution or alienate anyone in your caucus block. Learning these 5 skills helps you become a leader in the committee and win awards. It also helps you to identify what to work on during conferences and practice sessions. And most importantly, these are the core leadership skills that MUN teaches, which you will use throughout your academic and professional careers. If you appreciate my efforts, please hit the like and subscribe button and share with anyone in need.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken.